If you're looking for top-notch replica sneakers that are nearly indistinguishable from the originals, then EM Sneakers is the perfect place for you. EM Sneakers offers an extensive collection of replica sneakers, including renowned brands like Air Jordan, Nike, Adidas, and Yeezy, as well as luxury brands such as Gucci, Dior, Louis Vuitton, and Alexander McQueen. This diverse selection ensures that you can find your favorite styles and latest releases all in one place. What sets EM Sneakers apart is their commitment to quality. Each pair of sneakers is produced in their own factory using the latest machinery. This ensures that their replicas are incredibly similar to the original models, maintaining high standards of craftsmanship and detail. Every stitch, material, and design element is carefully replicated to provide you with a product that looks and feels authentic. At EM Sneakers, customer satisfaction is a top priority. They provide free quality control, QC, photos of your chosen sneakers before shipment, so you know exactly what you're getting. This transparency allows you to see the exact product and verify its quality before it even leaves their facility. Every purchase comes with the original shoe box and accessories, making the unboxing experience as exciting as getting the originals. This attention to detail is what makes EM Sneakers a favorite among sneaker enthusiasts who appreciate both style and authenticity. Don't forget to use the discount code TBP for an exclusive offer on your next purchase. And if you have any questions or need assistance, you can easily reach out to their customer service via WhatsApp at +44 7927 522951. Their friendly and responsive team is always ready to help. With EM Sneakers, you don't have to compromise on style or quality. Their replicas are so well crafted that even the most discerning sneakerheads will be impressed. Whether you're looking for the latest Yeezys or classic Jordans, EM Sneakers has you covered. Shopping at EM Sneakers is easy and convenient. Their user-friendly website makes it simple to browse their extensive collection, place an order, and track your shipment. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to EM Sneakers and elevate your sneaker game today. The link to their website is in the description box below. Thanks for watching the Business Promote, and happy shopping.